Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be my January setup. Here we are, January 18th, and I have not touched my planner since December. I've just been a little out of sorts. My anxiety has been at an all-time high, and I've just been going with the flow these past couple of weeks, but I have a lot of things that I want to get done, as far as personal things that I want to do, business things that I want to do, stuff here on YouTube. So it's time that I stop making a bajillion lists in my phone and actually make more tactical plans so I can get it done. So the planner that I'm using is actually the sketchbook from Michaels, and I have these Gold Mine and Cocoa dolls here, and this decal Protect Your Mental is from my shop, 15 Roses. So I'm just gonna go ahead. It's been well lived in so far in the time that I've used it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get this page ready for January. So I'm thinking whether I want to do like paper, like a printed paper or something. I'm not really sure, because I do have this one from Jewel Box, so I think I'm just gonna do this, and I might do it on the front and the back. I'm not sure, but let me go ahead and get my double stick tape, because we're not gonna waste any time getting this setup going. So where's my double stick tape? Here we go. I think this is it. It just wouldn't be me if I'm trying to do something and I drop something. Wouldn't be me. Alright. So this paper is, of course, sketch paper. So I do have to be careful with the binding, but to be honest, I don't care all that much. If a page rips out, if it's not ripped out all the way, I'll leave it, but if it is, then I just rip it out and move on to the next page. I will say that I have a little bit of FOMO because I've been seeing people in their rings, and I do have a B6 ring planner from Print Pression, but I'm just not using it at the moment because this is what's easiest for me. I can brain dump all of my ideas inside of here for any project that I'm working on and still put my to-do list. So it's just basically a one-stop shop for everything that I have going on, which I love. So there's the double stick tape. And as you can see, the pages came out a little bit right there, but that's all right. Moving on. Gonna go ahead and stick that. And then I'm just gonna cut the side. I'm not even gonna trim the top or the bottom. I'm just cutting the side. And then on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so I have covered the page front and back. So here's my little dashboard for January. That just goes to show, with a little bit of paper and some tape, you can do anything. All right, so I have a lot of sticky notes. Sticky notes are what I use in my planner system. I have a lot of cloth and paper ones. Sticky notes and list pads are my fave. I have a lot of them. So right now, this is going to be very, very simple. This is just my thing of my dashboards. So I am going to put a little bit of tape on the bottom. Of course, I could decide where it is that I want this to go. And I think I'm gonna put it over here so it could be at the top. All right, so there's that. And then I do have a January sticker somewhere over here. And I am going to be adding more stickers and such to my planner here, because I have a lot of functional ones that I can use. And even though I just ripped that up, should have waited to put the tape down, but then again, it's me. It is me. And I don't refer too much to the monthly anyway. So, thinking about putting this down here. Don't call them dreams, call them plans. And now I'm gonna take a doll sticker. I think I'll take one from Gold Mine. And I really like this one. This is like my fave. So I really like this. Leave it to me to always move something around. Alright. Boom. And when did January come in? Ha ha ha. Alright. January was a Friday. So, number this real quick. And the sticky note that I have here, that's a monthly. If I can find some, I will have them linked in the description box. But this one I got from Target. And then here, I am going to go ahead and just, I might actually do that on the back, my bills for the month. Now for the January sticker. So me planning and sharing this with you guys like mid-month, this is just real life. This is legit real life. I know I'm not the only one that has felt maybe somewhat out of sorts the early part of this year so far. All right, so here is my little dashboard. Nothing too crazy. And then on the back, I'm gonna put another one same way, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my bills here. I don't need to put the amounts because pretty much everything is on auto draft. I just need to write them down. And I will take this piece of paper right here. And I'm actually going to cut this a little bit. I take my tape. And then I also can write on the back, I guess. Maybe I should have put this tape at the top, which I will go ahead and do right now. I ain't gonna worry about that. We still gonna use it. This way, when I flip it up, I could still use it. So basically, like that. Okie dokie. Fix my placement. That's not the straightest line, but it is what it is. Go ahead and write in the dates again. Then I do have a gold mine and cocoa kit sticker situation. Oh, I actually have another one that's already out. Where is it? Saves me from having to write it. I'm just gonna put this here in the center, and then I will write down my bills. Now, moving on to what needs to get done for the week. We're moving into the week of 118. And I'm going to keep this layout super simple. Where's my sticky notes? I have this one. I have all of these from cloth and paper. So I'm going to use a mixture of these because this is what I likes to do. I know a lot of people don't like sticky notes, but they're my thing. All right. So this is just very, very simple. I use my sticky notes to make a variety of lists of what it is that I need to do. So this week, I actually have another list that I didn't even complete. Cancel gym membership. Amazon returns. I need to do my hair. Also need to get my nails done. Both of these falling into the category of self-care. Let me reference my old list. Oh, I need to do laundry and cleaning. That's about it. Okay, so that's that. And now for the other areas, this is just my general to-do list of the high priority things that I definitely need to get done. And then for things like this, other areas, so this is all about 15 roses. Having my relaunch on, I believe it's the 28th. The 28th. I lied. It's the 25th. So I have a lot of things I need to do for that. And that is where my 15 roses checklist comes in. And I'm thinking that I'm just going to actually put it over here on this page because I have a lot of stuff that I'll be writing down. And these are stickers that I made with my thermal printer. Love that little thing. I have a Rolo printer. Good for labels, but also like just making regular stickers. And then I'm going to make for another little memo. And this one's going to be for YouTube. And I will put that on the back of here. And then anything else that I need to fill in, voila. So that is the basics of my setup. It's just a matter of me grabbing my list and putting it all in one central location for me to look at. So here's my dashboard and then my sticky notes. Super simple, but cute enough for me to just jump in and get right to work, because that's what I need to do. That's the whole point of me writing these things down, so I can get right back to it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Would love to chat with you in the comments. Are you currently planning? What's your current planner situation? I really hope that this was in focus for you guys, but let's chat in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. If you guys want to keep up with me, you can follow me on both my regular Instagram, which is Chaotic Critic, and my shop Instagram at shop15roses, and I will see you guys in my next one. But if you're not subscribed, hold up, it's a new year. Would love to have you join the Chaotic Critic fam. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that have been rocking with me, thank you guys so much. It means more to me than you'll ever know. It's time for me to go do something else, because I'm getting tongue-tied. But thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye. Stay safe.